There's Sean feeding some seagulls. They're all over the place. That was $1 you're wasting.
I'm not gonna feed them all. I'm gonna eventually start eating it. They're not gonna leave now. Watch, we're gonna sit here all day. We're gonna sit here and wait and wait and wait and wait until I start throwing them again. That's so funny though. They're never gonna leave. I'm telling you, they're gonna stand here all day. I would feed you guys, but this is my goddamn food, assholes.
Here.
Alright, yeah, I'm done. I don't want to feed them anymore. They're never gonna leave. They're gonna follow us everywhere we go.
Well, they're just sitting there watching us.
Here, I'll feed you one more.
They're gonna fight over it. Oh shit. These remind me of like little Pokemon.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Yo, look at that one.
Did I hurt you? I love animals.
They don't even fly south for the winter, yo. They just stay here all year long, like.
They're going ham, yo. I want to see if they'll eat a cigarette, though.
Cigarette butt.
Oh, they knew. They knew.
They do.
They fucking knew. Oh, you asshole.
Oh. Alright, I'm done. Say something.
Taint, ass, cheeks, butt, face, cock, dick, taint.